Are BONOSS Honda Civic wheel spacers safe? These Honda Civic wheel spacers are made of aluminum alloy, installed between the hub assembly and the wheel. Pushing the wheels out to increase the distance between the hub assembly and the wheel. As long as you use high-quality Honda Civic wheel spacers and install them correctly, the wheel spacers are very safe. BONOSS Forged Honda Civic wheel spacers have active cooling grooves. Through the rotation of the wheel spacers, the external cold airflow can take away the internal heat, so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling, improve the brake efficiency, and reduce the risk of driving safety. Installing BONOSS Forged active cooling wheel spacers on Honda Civic can improve brake efficiency, maintain the brakes at normal temperature, and ensure your driving safety. BONOSS Forged active cooling Honda Civic wheel spacers are made of forged 6061T6 and 7075T6 aluminum alloy. Because of good thermal conductivity, the aluminum alloy ring spacers will dissipate brake heat better. This is exactly good for your new aftermarket wheels. However, it's essential to choose the right size wheel spacers and install them correctly to maintain optimal handling characteristics. Installing wheel spacers on your Honda Civic is a simple yet effective way to enhance both its appearance and performance. Not only do they provide a more aggressive stance and improve stability, but they also have a significant impact on the vehicle's handling dynamics. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this Honda Civic wheel spacers, please check the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.